Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an action figure here in ChatGPT. I'm going to show you guys how to create a video using that action figure in Kling AI. So first of all, I'm going to paste in a prompt. These are prompts actually generated using ChatGPT. I'll copy this and then I would come back here and I will paste it. And then I will add my picture. So if you want to know how I got to generate this prompt, I didn't just type it. I actually used ChatGPT to improve my prompt. So if you want to know how I did that, go back to my channel and watch the video where I showed how to create 2D and 3D AI characters. If you watch that video, I also explained how to use ChatGPT to make your prompts better before using ChatGPT, the same ChatGPT, to create your 2D or 3D AI characters or whatever you want to do. So this is the prompt I want to use to create the action figure. Create a realistic 3D action figure of the person in the photo. Place the figure in a display box with a hole at the top. Include accessories beside the figures: a gaming headset, iPhone, camera, MacBook, and iPad. On the box, write Tech Bro at the top and 101 designs below it. Okay, right. Tech bar at the top and 101 designs below it. So this is the prompt I'm going to be using. So we're just going to send this over to ChatGPT and then we'll see what it will create for us. So we have sent this. Now we have to just wait for it to generate our picture. So once it's done, then we'll head over to Kling AI to create a short video with the same picture that we generated. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, ensure you subscribe and like this video because I'll be posting more videos on AI, tech, and graphic design. Hi guys, so we're done generating our picture. So as you can see, this is our output. This is super cool. So you can see everything I gave it. This is the picture. So this is actually my picture that I gave it. This is the picture I gave it, and then I gave it this prompt, and then you can see the prompt includes everything that you can see in these outputs that we have here: the headset, MacBook, iPhone, a camera, and an iPad. And all the text I asked it to include here, everything was included here. So this is cool. So what we just do next is to click save. As you can see here, you can see download. So I'll just hit on download and then our picture is saved. So next up, we'll just head over to Kling AI. So this is actually Kling AI. You can just go to Google and search Kling AI. If you look at the top here, you can see klingai.com. Then all you just have to do is to you can see here they say click and drop, paste your image. So there are different things you can actually do here. You can see text to video, image to video, multi-element. I've not really tried the text to video, but for this one now, you can actually drop your picture here. So you can see click, drop, paste. I just click this. So it's loading my picture. Then what I just do is to copy the prompts, what I want it to do. So like I said, I've already used ChatGPT to like improve my prompts. I've already explained that in one of my previous video where I explained 2D and 3D characters, how to create 2D and 3D characters in using ChatGPT. So you can just go back to my channel and watch that. So this picture is here already, and then you can see here, please describe your creative ideas for the video. So here now I will paste this prompt, and then this is the prompt: create a realistic video of someone unboxing an action figure like in the picture. The figure looks like the person in the photo. Inside the box are accessories: gaming headsets, iPhone, camera, MacBook, and iPad. After unboxing, the person picks up the action figure, rotates it slowly, and brings it closer to the camera for a better look. Yeah, so this, I think this is very, very detailed. So guys, if I click on generate, you can see they are giving me this option. This generation utilizes the following features. So this is for like this is a premium package, but I don't have the premium subscription. So I'll just see if I can try one of these lower versions here. Stunning visuals, even better. So let me try one of these and see. Yeah, so I think this one now would work out well. So I think the one I was trying was a new feature, which is the 2.0, and that is like for premium users. So you can just drop it down to Kling 1.6 stunning visuals. It still has stunning visuals. It can still give you something good. So now we just wait for this to generate, and then we would see the output. So just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, ensure you subscribe. I have a lot of content coming forth regarding AI, graphic design, and tech. And if you are interested in learning graphic design, I've created a complete graphic design course on Photoshop and Canva. Just head over to my channel, go to the playlist and check, you'll find it there. So let's hold on for this to generate. So guys, as you can see, our video is done generating. This looks super cool. So let me put it on the full view so you can see. Shows the hand, picks up the action figure and brings it closer. So this is very, very cool. Looks so cool. So this looks really nice. So you can follow through the tutorial and create yours. It's not really hard. Just follow through the process, create your action figure in ChatGPT, come over to Kling AI, type in the prompt, and then we get something good as this. So I think that's all for this video. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to anybody who might need it. See you in the next one.